Make a great choice today with the 2024 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, heated front seats, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.